Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make egg fried rice. Egg fried rice is everybody's favorite lunch recipe. So let us go into the video and see how to make egg fried rice. So I have taken 6 eggs per person, 2 egg, few beans, carrot, 4 to 5 shoots of spring onion, 3 big onion, garlic, salt, cooking oil, green chilies, 1 handful of peppercorns, dry powder it in mixer jar. This is basmati rice, ghee, Amul butter, clove, cinnamon, bay leaf. So these are the finely chopped vegetables: spring onion, garlic, carrot, beans, big onion, and slitted green chili. In 200 ml cup, I have taken 1.5 cup of basmati rice, washed and soaked in water for minimum 10 minutes. So in a vessel, add water and boil it. Add just 2 to 3 drops of cooking oil or ghee. Add all the spices, bay leaf, cinnamon and clove in it. Allow it to get boiled. See, now the water is popping up nicely. In this stage, add the soaked basmati rice. So keep it, once it gets boiled, keep it in flame for 10 minutes. Add salt. See, allow it to get cooked in this stage. So once the rice gets cooked, drain the excess water and take out all the spices, bay leaf, cinnamon and clove. See, the rice has to be cooked like this. Now break all the 6 eggs, add required amount of salt and beat it well and keep it aside. On the stove, heat the kadai, add butter, so now slowly the butter is getting melted. Once the butter gets melted, add ghee. If you don't want ghee, you can add normal cooking oil itself. So now the butter is melted. Add finely chopped garlic. Just give one mix. And then add green chilies, slitted green chilies and finely chopped big onion. Saute it well till onion turns to golden brown. So now in this stage, add finely chopped beans. Mix it well. Keep it in sim for 2 minutes and then add finely chopped carrot. Mix this also well. Add required amount of salt. Mix it well. Close it with lid till the vegetable gets cooked. So now the vegetables are cooked. Just slowly push the vegetables to the edge and now add the beaten eggs to this. Now slowly using the ladle you can mix the egg nicely along with the vegetables. And slowly it comes like a sabji type, poriyal type. I haven't added Ajinomoto, soya sauce and all in this. Absolutely, this is I'm adding pepper powder for spice. So now slowly the egg is getting scrambled. Don't overcook the egg, then it won't be soft. Now eggs got scrambled nicely. Add pepper powder. And give a good mix. So now just sprinkle 1/2 of chopped spring onion which you have. Mix it well. Now slowly add cooked rice all over the kadai. Don't add uh, full rice in one time itself. Add part by part and then slowly mix it. Then only rice won't get mashed. Like this add. Once you add the rice, mix it well. Add required amount of salt. Give a good mix. So now egg fried rice is ready. Finally you can garnish with chopped spring onion leaves. You can serve it hot. Please try the recipe, subscribe, comment and like the video. Hope you enjoyed it.